What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape trending videos automatically by creating a simple workflow in Anyten. Let's get started. In Anyten, I've created a workflow that I've renamed to TikTok Trending Videos Scraper. Here, we're going to start by adding a trigger. I'm going to choose a manual trigger over here. Now, to scrape trending videos from TikTok, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. To get 30% off your first subscription to this tool, just use the link in the description to sign up and create your account. After creating your account, head over to Apify store. Here, we're going to search for a tool that we can use to scrape trending videos from TikTok. So I'll search for trending videos over here and click on search. And here you can see we have almost 600 tools that we can use to scrape trending videos from various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Over here. So now to scrape our trending videos, I'm going to use this tool over here. So I'll open this tool on a new tab. This is the tool that we're going to use to scrape trending videos from TikTok. All you have to do is add a country code right here. You can sort the videos by either hot, likes, comments, or shares. And here you can select the period type. You can choose either last 7 days or last 30 days. Then here you can add the maximum number of videos that you like to scrape. So here we can try and scrape hottest videos in the United States that have been posted in the last 7 days. So to scrape the 10 videos, I'll click on start right here. Here you can see that our tool is running and getting our data. Let's give it a second for it to complete scraping the videos. Here you can see our tool succeeded in scraping 10 hot trending videos in the US. So here we're getting the country code, thumbnail, duration of the video, the URL of the video, and the caption of the video over here. So now, instead of having to manually scrape our videos over here in Apify, we can create a workflow that scrapes the videos for us. So in our tool over here, you can see we're adding the country code, sorting the videos either by hot, likes, or comments, or shares, period type, and the maximum number of videos I would like to scrape. So we can add this data to a spreadsheet and get the data over here via the spreadsheet. So in Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Trending Video Scraper Spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, I've created a sheet that I've renamed to Country Code. Here's the sheet that we're going to add the country code, sort by, and the maximum number of videos I would like to scrape. So now to get this sheet, in our workflow over here, I'll search for Google Sheets and click on Google Sheets, and then here I'll click on Get Rows in Sheet Node. Here, you'll need to create your credential to connect your account to Anyten by signing in with Google over here, and then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to Anyten, and your connection will be created. Since I had already done that, I'm going to close this window, and here we're going to find our document. This is our document right here. The sheet is going to be the country code sheet. Here, I'll click on execute step to get our country code, sort by, and maximum items over here. So here, I'll rename this node to get country code, and then click on rename right here. And then now with our data over here, we can go ahead and scrape the videos for us using Apify. So here, I'll search for Apify. Click on Apify. Here, you'll need to install it first if you haven't installed it yet. And after installing it, click on the Run and Action node right here. And here, we're going to also create a connection to connect our account to Anyten. So to do that, just click on Create a new credential. Then here, click on Connect to my account. And then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to Anyten, and your connection will be created. Since I had already done that, I'm going to close this window over here. Here, I would like to run an actor. I'm going to choose a recently used actor. Here, we're going to find our actor, which is this actor over here. And here, we're going to add our JSON. So I'll click on Expression, expand it right here to add our JSON over here. To get our JSON in our tool, it says Manual and JSON. Click on JSON. And here, we're going to copy this JSON. So I'll copy it and paste the JSON right here. So now here, we're going to map the country code instead of manually adding it, and the maximum number of videos that we like to scrape over here. Then here, I'll click on execute step right here to scrape our popular videos from TikTok in the US. Here, you can see that our node was executed successfully. This data was a success. And here we got our default dataset ID right here. So now, to get our videos that we just scraped, I'll search for Apify again. Click on Apify. This time around, I'm going to click on the Get Dataset Items node. And here we're going to map our dataset ID. So I'll map it over here. Here you can see we got our 10 videos over here. So we got the country code, cover, so this is the thumbnail, duration of the video, ID, URL, region, and the description over here. So that's awesome. Here, I rename our node to trending videos scraper, TikTok trending video scraper. And here I rename this node to get scrape TikTok videos. And click on rename. So now, before we add our videos to our spreadsheet, we can also analyze these videos using AI on why the videos went viral. See if we can use the lessons to optimize our own videos for virality. To do that, here we're going to start by setting the fields over here. So I'll click on the edit fields node over here. We can start by setting the URL over here. You can rename this to video URL. You can also add the fields for the description or the title over here. So this is the description or caption. Then I'll click on execute step right here to set the fields for the video URL and the description right here. Now the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to pass our videos an AI agent to analyze the videos and why they went viral. So here we're going to use an AI agent. So in AI, I'll click on AI agent. We're going to choose to define below to add our prompt and our system message over here. The prompt for the AI agent is on the lines of, you're an expert content strategist and virality analyst specializing in TikTok. And the system message is on the lines of, you receive a TikTok video URL. Your task is to deeply analyze the video and explain why it went viral, what made it work, and what lessons we can apply to our own videos about automation and business efficiency. And here we are mapping the video URL and the description that we set in this within this node right here. And then we're telling the agent, when analyzing the video, cover these key areas, the hook and retention. So here we're going to analyze what happened in the first 3 seconds that grabbed attention, what visuals, sounds, or statements made viewers stop scrolling. How did the creator maintain retention or curiosity? The other area is the emotional and psychological trigger. So here we're going to analyze what emotions did it tap into. Did it use storytelling, shock, transformation, or humor? Why did people feel compelled to share, like, or comment? The other area is the content structure and pacing. Here, we like our agent to describe the flow, note the pacing and editing style, highlight anything that made the content feel dynamic or bingeable. The other area is the message and clarity. Here, we like the agent to analyze what was the core message or takeaway. Was it clear, visual, and instantly understandable? How did it connect to strong pain points or desire? And then the other area is the algorithmic and engagement factor. So here, we like the agent to analyze how did the creator trigger engagement? Did it use trending audio, hashtags, or recognizable formats? And what role did the caption, subtitles, or thumbnail play in virality? And then the last section is the branding and creator personality. So here, the agent is going to analyze how was the creator positioned. Did they use a repeatable style, catchphrase, or visual signature? Then you're telling the agent, then create a section titled Actionable Lessons for Automation Creators. In this section, translate the insights into clear strategies for creators in the automation niche. So I'm using automation as our niche. People showing how businesses can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Include tips such as how to make automation content exciting, not technical, how to use visual storytelling to show before and after transformations, how to craft short hooks that trigger curiosity, and how to position automation as a key to freedom, wealth, and simplicity. And finally, end with this. So here, we're telling the agent to suggest 3 creative video ideas inspired by this viral video but tailored to automation, showing business owners the power and results of automation systems. Then here, we're adding our output format. Where here, we're going to output the video analysis summary, why this video went viral, actionable lessons for automation creators, and recommended video ideas. I require a specific output format, and then I'll click on the output parser over here, and then I'll click on the structured output parser and add a JSON example of our output right here. Example, I like to output the video analysis summary, why the video went viral, actionable lessons that we can learn, and recommended video ideas here. And here I'll drag this node at the top right here. The next thing that we're going to add is the memory. I'm going to choose the simple memory over here. And here, I'm going to choose to define below and add the key over here. Choose any key. Here I'm going to add today's date as a key. And here you can choose the chart model. I'm going to choose OpenAI as our chart model. Here, you'll need to create your credential to connect your account to anytime. So from your OpenAI API, add the API key right here and click on Save to create your credential. Then here, choose the model. I'm going to choose GPT 4.1 mini as a model. Then I'm going to drag this node at the top right here. You can see we're outputting a total of 10 videos, so we can limit the videos to only one, so we can analyze only one of the videos instead of having to analyze all the 10 videos. Since this is just an example, so here I'll limit the videos to only one. So I'll search for the limit node right here. You're going to limit the videos to only one. Then I'll connect this node right here and auto align it. So here I'll execute this node to get one of the videos, and here I'll open this node. Then here I'll click on execute step to analyze our video. You can see it's executing our node. Let's give it a second for it to complete analyzing our video. So here you can see our node was executed successfully. So here we analyzed the video and gave an output of the summary over here. So here's the summary of the video analysis. Here's why the video went viral, and here are the actionable lessons that we can use to create our content. And here are the recommended video ideas over here. So our AI agent works perfectly. So here I renamed this agent to viral performance analyst. Click on rename right here. Then the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to wait a few seconds. Click on the wait node right here. You can wait, let's say 3 seconds, and then I'll execute this node over here. You can see that our node was executed successfully. So now the next thing that we're going to do here is we can add our trending video that we just scraped and its analysis to a spreadsheet. So to do that, in Google Sheets, I've also created another sheet that I've renamed to trending videos. So here's where we're going to add our trending videos. We're going to start by adding the country code right here, title of the video, duration, video URL. Also going to add the video analysis, why the video went viral, actionable lessons that we can use from the video, and the recommended video ideas over here. So now to add our data to our spreadsheet over here, in our workflow, I'll search for Google Sheets and click on append row in sheet node. And here, you're going to find our document, which is this document right here. The sheet is going to be trending videos sheet. Here, we're going to map our values to our columns in our spreadsheet with the data from our workflow. So we're going to start by adding the country code. So I'll map the country code right here. So I'm going to add the title of the video over here, map the duration over here, video URL over here. So I'm going to map the video analysis summary here, map why the video went viral over here, actionable lessons, and recommended video ideas over here. So now to add this data to our spreadsheet, I'll click on execute step right here. You can see it's executing our node, and our node was executed successfully. So here, I renamed this node to trending video analysis. Click on rename right here. Then the last thing that we're going to do here is we're going to complete our workflow. So I'll search for the do nothing node right here. Click on it and then click on it. And here I'm going to execute this node, complete our workflow. As you can see, our node was executed successfully. Now, when I open our spreadsheet, here you can see we added one of the trending videos that we scraped from this country. So here we're adding the country code, title of the video right here, duration in minutes, the video URL, the video analysis over here. The video went viral, actionable lessons that we can use as we create our own videos, and recommended video ideas over here. This is awesome. So we scraped trending videos from this location and then analyzed why the videos went viral, and also generated some actionable lessons and video ideas from the video using this workflow that we created right here in AnyAgent. So here we are getting the country code and the number of videos I would like to scrape from this sheet right here. And then we're using the data to scrape trending videos in the location. And then here we're getting the scraped TikTok videos. And then here we're setting the fields for the description and the video URL. Then here we're choosing to limit the videos to only one. And then we're using AI agent to analyze the viral video and why it went viral. Then we're adding the trending video and its analysis to our spreadsheet over here. Then we are completing our workflow over here. This is the spreadsheet that we're adding our viral video. Here is the country code of the video, is the title of the video, duration of the video URL over here, the video analysis summary, why the video went viral, actionable lessons, and recommended video ideas over here using this workflow that we created right here in Anytime. Our workflow to see how it works, to test it in our spreadsheet. Now country code sheet, we're going to change the country code over here. You can use United Kingdom's country code, and now to scrape trending videos from this country. Then add the videos over here with the video analysis over here in our spreadsheet. Now workflow, I'll click on execute workflow over here. Here, we can see that our workflow was executed successfully. Here we got the country code over here, which was the UK. Then we use the country code to scrape trending videos from the location, from the country. Then we got our videos right here, got a total of 10 videos. And here we limited the videos to only one, where we analyze the viral video to see why the video went viral and to see if we can generate actionable steps that we can use to generate our own content. And we waited a few seconds and added the trending videos with the analysis to our spreadsheet. And here we completed our workflow. When I open our spreadsheet, here you can see we created a new record right here. We added the country code right here, which was UK, and then the title of the viral video we're analyzing, the duration, the video URL, and the video analysis summary over here. We also generated why the video went viral, and also generated some actionable lessons that we can use to generate our content. And lastly, we generated recommended video ideas that we can use to generate a video in our niche, similar to this popular video that we scraped in this country using our workflow over here. So our workflow works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like me to create this workflow for you or a workflow similar to this one, just click the first link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details about the workflow that you'd like me to create for you, and then I'll proceed to create the workflow for you. But if you enjoyed this video and you have an AI agent or a workflow in mind that you'd like me to create using N8N, just comment it down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent from scratch using N8N. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.